HCW Systems present installing tubing on the main floor or upstairs. Begin by carefully reading the building plan to ensure you have the right measurements. Use small blocks of wood as a guide. Cut them based on the spacing recommended in your building plan or by the project manager. Then, install a bend support and start attaching the tubing to the floor. Be careful not to damage the pipes. Carefully install fasteners around bend points where pressure will be greater. The blocks of wood you cut earlier should prove very useful. Don't forget to drill a hole in the floor for running the pipe to the mechanical room. Be sure to watch our other videos. Thank you for choosing HCW Systems.